What we've covered in the Zend movies thus far is really just an introduction to the MVC aspect of using Zend. While this is largely important, the true advantage of the Zend framework is the depth and breadth of the libraries available to you. The Zend Framework Reference Guide is a great starting point to see some of the tools available in alphabetical order. You can see Zend has an ACL or Access Control List methodology that allows you to find different groups and who can access what parts of an application. It also has an authorization functionality. It has the ability to integrate with barcodes. You can implement caching that allows you to have intelligent caching and manage all of the data in your cache, both between your database and in caching templates themselves. You can implement CAPTCHA. You can access cloud data. You can configure all kinds of different things directly and programmatically through the API. There's a number of different features in there to handle dates and currencies and formatting different types of strings. Dojo is a really powerful tool that you can use to do all kinds of view helpers and decorators and elements. The Dojo application itself has its own website at dojotoolkit.org. And if you go to the features, you can see all the things that are available to you. There's a lot of tools for desktop that allow you to integrate different elements into your forms. You can create really nice interfaces right out of the box. And because it integrates with Zend, it's really just a matter of calling on methods of different classes. It can enhance your mobile application development using HTML5 and CSS3. It's a really beneficial way for creating graphs and tools and all kinds of UI elements that you wouldn't otherwise have available to you. Zend also has the G-Data services, which allow you to talk to Google, and you can integrate with Google Calendars, with Google Docs, with YouTube data, Picasa, all kinds of different things that allow you to pull this functionality into your own applications. One last thing to look at is to keep an eye on the Zend 2.0 beta. 2.0 promises to be a much more accessible version of Zend, and in addition, it will perform well, and we can assume that they're going to add a number of different features and libraries along with it. Because of the contribution of so many large companies to the Zend framework, it really does have a lot of tools for developers. AMF, Dojo, Google, and other services, authorization, email, and other well-tested APIs can give you such a head start in so many aspects of your coding. So through these movies, you can get a pretty good picture of the Zend framework. Some complexity in terms of getting started, but loads of libraries and flexibility in terms of how you actually implement your applications. If you think this is a framework worth checking out, I definitely recommend delving deeper into the API and most importantly, diving in with your own application and seeing how it goes.